The annual tax accounting principle generally requires that each year's tax be calculated without reference to a prior year's gains or losses. However, the Commissioner of Internal Revenue challenged this rule as applied to transactions associated with prior income items. The United States Supreme Court considered the Commissioner's characterization in Arrowsmith v. Commissioner. Frederick Bauer and Davenport Pogue each owned one half of a corporation. In 1937, after Davenport's death, Frederick liquidated the corporation and divided the proceeds between himself and Davenport's wife. They received distributions from 1937 to 1940. On their income tax returns for each of these years, Frederick and Pogue correctly classified the proceeds as capital gains and received preferential tax treatment. Subsequently, Frederick died, and a judgment was entered against the dissolved corporation. As transferees of the corporation's assets, Pogue and Frederick's widow and his executor, Donald Arrowsmith, collectively Bauer, were liable to pay the judgment. Each classified the payment as an ordinary business loss and deducted the entire amount paid. Had the payment been classified as a capital loss, only a portion would have been deductible. The Commissioner of Internal Revenue disagreed with Bauer and Pogue's classification and determined that the payments were related to the liquidation transaction and therefore were capital losses. Bauer and Pogue challenged the Commissioner's determination. The tax court disagreed with the Commissioner and classified the payments as ordinary losses. The Second Circuit reversed. The United States Supreme Court granted cert to resolve a circuit split.